Okay, so this is room 4416 at Clarion Inn, Lake Buena Vista. This is an overview of the, we have already did a bed bug check. Always do that when you check into a hotel, seriously. So this is an overview of the room. This is our view. It's not a fantastic view. We do have some water down here, and it is right by I-4, so it will be noisy. But for us, I actually like interstate noise when I sleep because it helps me sleep. So the not only are they bed bug free, but they're immaculately clean. Like, the mattress looks brand new. Everything is really nice in here. You have your drawers right here, nice deep drawers. You have a writing space, your television. You have a wardrobe for hanging clothes. Nice, real nice size. Oh, and there's a full-length mirror. Hello. Right here, we have sliding doors, like barn doors, going into the bathroom. We have a mini fridge, a microwave, a coffee maker. It's a Mr. Coffee. It's not a Keurig, but that's okay. We don't like Keurig. You have your built-in hair dryer dealie. And then in here, you've got your tub. Nice. This is a nice, like, weighty shower curtain. It's real nice. It's clean. The tub is clean. Very nice room. And what did we pay for 5 nights? Like $337?
It's pretty cheap, yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, and this hotel is literally a mile from Disney Springs. So, for the location, you cannot get a better bang for the buck. This is the second time we have stayed at this hotel. I didn't do a review first time. This place is awesome. And check-in, fast, friendly, no problem at all. So let's go grab something to eat. We are back, and I just wanted to add that our stay was amazing. We slept so good. The beds were so comfortable. The linens were so crisp and clean. I will say that when you stay there, if you are like me and you don't like housekeeping or don't want housekeeping, you can put the room occupied hanger on the outside of your door and they won't bother you. Now, they do reserve the right to enter your room if they feel like something is awry or anything like that, but they won't bother you if you put that out there, and that way you can opt out of housekeeping service because, I mean, I don't need it, and we're kind of private people anyway, so, But, that being said, the only issue we did have was the last night of our stay, the door scanner actually died. Now, it wasn't the keys were working fine, it was actually the scanner, and we let front desk know, and they immediately sent someone up that had a portable scanner that plugged into the door. They have these options, so obviously something, these things die. They're electronic. They're going to die every once in a while. It just happened to us. But it wasn't an issue, really. They got it fixed. They got us into our room really quick. And they apologize. They're very good customer service. It's easy and friendly checking in. It's easy and friendly checking out. And I always feel very secure there. They do have security guards that check your vehicle, like you get a little placard to put with like how long you're going to stay there, so they know if somebody comes in the property that is not supposed to be there. And I have never had an uneasy feeling at all staying there. So we definitely absolutely recommend Clarion Inn, Lake Buena Vista. This is not sponsored. This is from our own opinions and our second time staying there, and we will be booking it again for our next year's trip. So I just wanted to add that on and say, do not hesitate to look them up. For the proximity to Disney Springs, the cleanliness of the room, friendliness of staff, you're not going to get a better place to stay. For the price, it is one of the best price rooms around, and we absolutely love it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Get out there and unlock your own adventure. Goodbye.